One sunny morning, a little wolf woke up. "Today I will visit my friends," said the wolf. Thump, thump, thump. The wolf walked down the soft path. First, the wolf met Rabbit in the meadow. "Good morning, Rabbit," said the wolf. "Good morning, Wolf," said the rabbit. They watched a butterfly go flip, flip, flip. They listened to the bees go bzzz. The wolf and rabbit smiled. "See you later," said the wolf. "See you later," said the rabbit. Thump, thump, thump. The wolf went to the stream. Beaver was building a tiny dam. "Hello, Beaver," said the wolf. "Hello, Wolf," said Beaver. The water went trickle, trickle. The fish went swish, swish. They counted 3 shiny fish. 1, 2, 3. "Nice dam," said the wolf. "Thank you," said Beaver. "See you later," said the wolf. "Bye-bye," said Beaver. Thump, thump, thump. The wolf reached the berry bush. Bear was picking berries. "Hi, Bear," said the wolf. "Hi, Wolf," said the bear. Pluck, pluck, pop. Sweet berries. They saved some for the birds. Sharing feels good. "Bye-bye," said the wolf. "See you later," said the bear. Thump, thump, thump. The wolf walked to the tall trees. Deer stood quiet and calm. "Hello, Deer," said the wolf. "Hi, Wolf," said Deer. Sunlight made tiny golden dots on the ground. They took slow breaths together, in and out. "See you later," said the wolf. "Bye-bye," said the deer. Thump, thump, thump. The wolf went home.